Hey folks, got another car done. This is Grandma's 57 Chevy that's been in the family since 57. Grandma bought it new and then passed it on to her daughter. Then her daughter passed it on to his son. And then his son passed it on to his boys. And then they put in the 454 out of a 72 Nova. So even the seat moves up and down a little bit. Hopefully you can see this okay. It's rusty and rough, but it runs good in being in the same family its entire life. Of course, they don't have a hood for it. The hood got dented up years ago, so they just run it without the hood. Just pray that it doesn't rain. And they had to pick up a steel wheelie from the junkyard because the other one had got bent somehow, messed up. Still got its grandma's baby moons. But not too rusty. Anyway, thanks for chatting.